Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. Before we begin today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video, you get the notification. Today we are going to paint Lord Ganesha. Ganesha is known to be the god of prosperity and wealth. So this Diwali, let's make our own Ganesha painting and bring good luck. So I am taking A5 size watercolor sheet 300 GSM. This is a very easy painting. We are going to paint Ganesha. I have already sketched it out and I am wetting the surface with water. Here I have started with Persian blue. As the surface is wet, I am taking the color and just outlining the Ganesha portrait. You will see that the Ganesha portrait is still dry and only the outer surface is wet, and I am splashing some color on the outer surface. I have mixed Crimson Lake and Persian blue to get this purple tone. I'll be using 2-3 colors to get this beautiful splash around Ganesha. You have to make sure that the surface is wet when you are creating splashes. Here I had let the first layer dry and this is my second coat, and I'll be repeating the same technique. I have taken some more blue color and creating a beautiful splash around it. Just keep in mind to keep the surface wet and the color will spread on its own. With the colorful splash in the background, the Ganesha portrait will stand out. You can use this splash technique for any of your artworks, especially when you want your subject to get focused. You can use a beautiful splash in the background. Now I am starting with the Ganesha. I have given cobalt blue color a mid-tone. Here I am taking chrome yellow for the forehead. You can check more of my watercolor videos. I'm sharing a link at the top. In my channel, you can expect acrylic paintings, watercolor paintings, and gouache paintings. This is an easy abstract Ganesha painting. You can make it for your Diwali. I've just used 2-3 colors: cobalt blue, Persian blue, and yellow chrome. I hope you find this video useful, and please share your views in the comments below. I would love to hear from you all. You can see I'm using the same technique everywhere in this painting, and you can keep on layering with the colors till you get the desired effect. If you like the painting, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it before. The eye is beautifully petal shaped. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for the exclusive collection of paintings. I have mentioned the links in the description. You can go and check it there. As the color will start drying, it may become lighter, but you can go over it again and get the desired effect. I thought the background color has faded a little, so I wet the surface again and added some more color in the background. Here I am painting a yellow lotus in the trunk, and I am adding some yellow color splash in the background just to balance the painting. This is a very easy painting for beginners. And we are almost done with it. And I am adding some circular shapes on the head. And to give it a magical effect, I add spatter in the background. For the spatter, I have used Persian blue and chrome yellow. So here we have a Ganesha painting. It's a very easy painting, and you can share your views in the comments below. And I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.